I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. They check in at the airport counter. They check in at the airport counter. I get a vaccine today. I get a vaccine today. I am exhausted from work. I am exhausted from work. I do a lion dance. I do a lion dance. Farmers harvest rice. Farmers harvest rice. I put an ice pack on my head. I put an ice pack on my head. I hold a pea pod. I hold a pea pod. Children blow bubbles. Children blow bubbles. She writes calligraphy. She writes calligraphy. We grill fish. We grill fish. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. We pick corn. We pick corn. She twirls in a red dress. She twirls in a red dress. I want to reach a star. I want to reach a star. I eat a big bowl of rice. I eat a big bowl of rice. My family goes on a trip. My family goes on a trip. Her eyes look bright. Her eyes look bright. I relax at home on the weekend. I relax at home on the weekend. This flower smells good. This flower smells good. We have a snack. We have a snack. We have a snack. We have a snack. She is from Korea. She is from Korea. I work overtime. I work overtime. I take a selfie. I take a selfie. I go home for Tet. I go home for Tet. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. It's raining again. It's raining again. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I like this place. I like this place. She feels nervous. She feels nervous. This food is tasty. This food is tasty. Please open the window. Please open the window. I need a break. I need a break. That makes sense. That makes sense. The place is clean. The place is clean. I feel very sleepy. I feel very sleepy. We need to hurry. We need to hurry. We need to hurry. We need to hurry. Please stay calm. Please stay calm. I trust you. I trust you. I said no to her proposal. I said no to her proposal. That sounds good. That sounds good. It smells strange. It smells strange. I put on mascara every morning. I put on mascara every morning. I'm waiting here. I'm waiting here. This chair is broken. This chair is broken. I feel much better. I feel much better. Let me explain again. Let me explain again. It looks brand new. It looks brand new. I will call later. I will call later. I missed the bus this morning. I missed the bus this morning. That looks easy. That looks easy. I heard a noise. I heard a noise. She looks tired. She looks tired. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. I like your idea. I like your idea. Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Please sit inside. Please sit inside. He looks worried. He looks worried. I forgot the time. I forgot the time. This bag is heavy. This bag is heavy. It feels nice here. It feels nice here. We are done now. We are done now. Please follow me. Please follow me. I'm ready now. I'm ready now. That was very funny. That was very funny. It's very hot today. It's very hot today. He came early today. He came early today. I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. Please write your name. Please write your name. That feels unsafe. That feels unsafe. I need some rest. I need some rest. The room is quiet. The room is quiet. Why are you here? Why are you here? I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. This looks better. This looks better. Let's start now. Let's start now. She is very polite. She is very polite. Please wait a bit. Please wait a bit. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. Come stand here. Come stand here. The guard blew the whistle loudly. The guard blew the whistle loudly. The room got flooded after the rain. The room got flooded after the rain. It's your turn. It's your turn. I need some water. I need some water. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I'm taking the driving test today. I'm taking the driving test today. That's not fair. That's not fair. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? I'm home. I'm home. Please close the door. Please close the door. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. A cicada is shedding its shell. A cicada is shedding its shell. I need to get gas. I need to get gas. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Oops, I spilled coffee on my shirt. Oops, I spilled coffee on my shirt. She is smiling now. She is smiling now. Don't be so loud. Don't be so loud. Let me check first. Let me check first. I help my son ride a scooter. I help my son ride a scooter.